Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be helping you learn how to create a POF account on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To create a POF account, you can go visit your web browser on your phone and type in pof.com and search. Download the application on your device, and once you've got the app, tap it open. Now, in order to create a POF account, from the very first interface, tap on Continue. On the next page, go ahead and create an account by entering your information. Start by entering a username that you'd like to use for your account. Now, enter your first name or your nickname in the next text field. Enter a valid email address on the next field. After you do that, type in the password for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password for your account security. Confirm the password one more time by typing it again. Tap on the eye icon so that you can reveal your password, which is located at the right corner of the screen. Now, after you're done filling everything in, tap on Next. Enable the location services in order to prioritize matches from nearby location instead of the other side of the world. After you're done, on the next page, select your country from the drop-down. Select your state or your province from the next. Enter the name of your city. After you're done, go ahead and type in a postal code or your zip code. After you're done, choose your gender from the options below. You can choose to show your gender on the profile by enabling this button, or you can choose to disable this as well. On the next field, type in your date of birth, informations, and tap on OK from the pop-up. Choose your ethnicity from the next field, and then finally tap on the Continue button. Accept to the terms and services of POF by typing on I accept. Go ahead and answer more questions, and then tap on Next. Go ahead and enter your occupation, and then choose your education from the options. Set how ambitious are you, and then go ahead and select your income from the options. Don't worry, your income won't be displayed in your profile. Now, select your religion on the next field. Finally, enter your second language and then tap on Next. Go ahead and answer more questions. After you're done answering all the questions, go ahead and type in the most important thing that people should know about you. You can share your goals, hobbies, or a favorite memory. Simply go ahead and type it in and tap on Next. Now, on the next page, you can go ahead and add an interest of yours and tap on Next. Now, go ahead and enter your phone number. First, select your country code and then type in your phone number. After you're done, tap on Send Code and you'll be able to create an account on POF. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.